In Alabama, a major storm hitting your home is not a question of if, but when. But after the storm, nearly 40% of Alabama roof hail claims are denied or underpaid. Why? Your policy has traps. Once your roof hits 15 years old, your coverage could slash your payout by thousands. This is especially painful here. Alabamians already pay $1,700 more for insurance than the national average. In the next few minutes, we will show you how to spot hidden damage, counter the insurer's playbook, and win your claim. A major storm just passed. You see shingles in your yard. What you do in the next 48 hours can make or break your entire claim. First, do not call a roofer for permanent repairs. An adjuster must see the original damage or your claim can be voided. Second, do not wait. Many policies have a 1-year deadline, but some are as short as 30 days. The clock is ticking. Your first correct move is to get a professional inspection before you even call your insurance company. This gives you proof. But what are they looking for that you can't see? The answer lies in damage that might not cause a leak for another 2 years. While you wait for your inspector, document everything. Take photos of dented gutters or damaged AC units to prove the storm's intensity. So what is that hidden damage? It is what separates a small repair check from a full roof replacement. First, hail can cause microfractures in the shingle's fiberglass mat. You cannot see it, but water will find that spot 12 to 24 months later. Second, high winds can break the thermal adhesive seal holding shingles down. They might lay flat again, but they are now lifted and compromised. Finally, there is underlayment damage. It is present in 60% of storm-damaged roofs, but is visible from outside less than 15% of the time. Knowing this, insurers created a powerful tool to deny claims, the cosmetic damage exclusion. They argue dents don't affect function. So how do you prove your cosmetic issue is actually functional damage? It starts by understanding who you are dealing with. Let's take granule loss from hail as a perfect example. The insurer sees it as cosmetic. It looks bad, but the shingle is still there. But the facts prove them wrong. Those granules are the shingle's UV protection. Significant loss is functional damage, reducing its life by 60%. This is a key battleground. Insurers save millions by classifying functional damage as merely cosmetic. They are betting you don't know the difference. Another way they reduce payouts is with the actual cash value switch. On a 16-year-old roof, they will depreciate its value by over 75%. The insurance adjuster sent by your company works for them. Their job is to minimize the company's payout. A public adjuster works only for you. So you have documented the damage and you understand the players. But there are still more financial details designed to trip you up. First, check for a separate wind or hail deductible. Unlike a flat amount, it is often a percentage of your home's total insured value. A 2% deductible on a $300,000 home is not $600. It is $6,000 you must pay before insurance pays a dime. A common, costly surprise. Even after the deductible, the first check you get is often a lowball offer. They are testing to see if you will accept it. You can negotiate. So, what is the single most effective strategy to ensure all damage is covered and you can successfully counter that low offer? The answer? Have your own qualified roofing contractor present when the insurance adjuster does their inspection. This changes the entire dynamic. Your roofer arrives armed with the detailed pre-claim inspection report we talked about. They are prepared to advocate on your behalf. When the adjuster calls granule loss cosmetic, your roofer can point to the fractured mats and broken seals, the hidden functional damage. This proactive, evidence-based approach is how you overcome lowball offers and prevent wrongful denials. You're presenting an undeniable case. And don't let fear stop you. Claims for acts of nature, like storms, are generally far less likely to impact your individual premium. For a long-term solution, look into the Strengthen Alabama Homes program. It offers grants up to $10,000 for a storm-fortified roof. Let's recap the winning strategy. Document everything immediately. Get your own inspection before calling the insurer. Have your expert meet the adjuster. You pay high premiums for protection. Do not leave thousands of dollars on the table because of a difficult process. Get the full payout you deserve.